We guide you through how to set up Stripe account and connect it with Wise. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your stripe.com, click start now, then enter your email, full name, and create a secure password. Verify your email and begin activating your account by filling in your business details, including your business type, address, and phone number. Next, provide your bank information. This is where Wise comes in. If you don't have Wise account yet, head to wise.com, sign up, verify your identity with a valid ID, and create a multi-currency account so you can get bank details for different currency like USD, GBP, or Euro. Once your Wise account is ready, copy the bank details for the currency you want to receive payments in, then go back to Stripe and paste those details into the payout section. Make sure the account name matches exactly to avoid payouts delays.